Okay, well good afternoon everybody, welcome to the Canine Freestyle dog dancing display. A bit of a display with a difference this one. And this is my first dog I'm going to work today, showing you the sport of canine freestyle, or heel work to music. You might call it dancing with your dog. You've probably seen it on television. It's where the dog and the handler perform to a track of music. Now each dog has got its own character, and we use that to reflect the type of music that we use with the dogs. Now the first dog I'm working today is Whizzy. Whizzy, ready? Hey! Now Whizzy's only a young dog, she's only just over 2 years old. Close, good girl. Now Whizzy, you're probably wondering what she is. Some of you are probably saying, oh, is she a Labradoodle? No, she's not a Labradoodle. Actually, her mother was a border collie who had an illicit affair with a standard poodle. So I suppose you could call her a collie doodle. So she's not a Labradoodle, she's a collie doodle. Now Whizzy here, she's only, say, quite fairly young. She's already done 4 competitions, and last weekend she won 2 of them, meaning she's now advanced in her category. She's quite a fun dog, as you'll see when she performs. Whizzy close, we're just warming her up here with a little bit of boring heel work, to be honest, because Whizzy's so enthusiastic, as you'll probably see. She sometimes gets a little bit over-enthusiastic, and I've got to move very quick. That's why I'm so thin. I don't go to the gym, because with all these dogs, all the running around, it keeps me on my toes. Good girl. Now, everything you see me do with the dogs today is using what we call positive reinforcement. And with the dog, second dog I'm going to use a little bit later, we're going to show you how you can go home and teach your dog to hopefully do 1 or 2 of the moves that you're going to see the dogs do today. Now, the first thing I'm going to do with Whizzy is do a short routine, just to hopefully set the scene, show you what the sport is all about. Now, we hope Whizzy's got her brain in gear today. We're going to turn off the mic and get started in a second. Whizzy, come, is because that's part of her reward. So she must get this little playtime that she's having. Whiz, ha, ha, ha. Good girl, go, over. Because she likes to jump, so I like her to enjoy her performance, because she does these demonstrations. Whizzy come almost every weekend. Whizzy, I know you know that is. Whizzy, come on, Whiz, come on. Good girl, Whizzy, come. Doing the typical sort of, I'll just stay 2 foot from you and not bring it right to you. Whizzy, because Whizzy knows, as soon as I finish this, go, over, that she's going to go back in the van. Whizzy, come. So, Whizzy here, she's 2 years old, and again, a nice character of a dog. She's part, well, 50% border collie, and her father was a standard poodle, and that's how she's come about. With a collie doodle, in other words. I saw the litter advertised and thought, well, that could be quite nice. A nice sort of a trotty dog. You see this trot that she's doing? Okay, with the front end. Good. Okay, it's very natural for the poodle. They're very flashy dogs. So we teach her to do that lovely trot there. Go on, yes, good girl. Now you don't get that through any negative training. Hopefully you can see how much the dogs enjoy their work and how much they're sort of looking forward to coming out on a demonstration. Good girl. Let's get rid of the lead. Now Whiz, what are we going to do with you? Good girl. Is Andrew back yet? Oh, yes he is. Good. Whiz, come on. Good girl. So she's a younger dog. She's done 4 competitions this year. She's won every one of them, 6. But she's just getting into that teenage phase where she's starting to think she knows best. So sometimes the routines don't go quite to plan, but we're going to see what we can do for you today. This is the last routine. It's called Let's Get Loud. I believe that's the one. Sit. And we're just going to do quite an upbeat track for this one, just to finish her on a good note. So, let's see how we go with... Not off your feet. It's one of our little moves that is one of our favourites, so we try and finish on that. These tricks, they're so easy to teach. They don't take long, and you don't have to put them together in a routine like I do. You can just have fun with your dog, training all these different tricks. And it really helps to keep their brains alive, and often you'll find that you can take them out for a walk, but after 10 minutes of training, they're more tired than they are if they go for miles of walking. Good girl, just Whizzy, right dog today. Right, that finishes our display for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.
Good round of applause, please, for Richard Curtis and their Canine friends. Okay, it's come up to 10 minutes to 4, and we're at 4:15 behind our prize draw with the